Welcome to this job cost video. We're going to look at sundry costs in this. Where costs don't relate to one of the other groups that we've got in the other videos, we can put them into the job as sundry costs. There's a couple of different ways that we can do this. Where our sundry cost relates to, put in this case, $150 worth of sundry material costs to the job, we're not needing to identify where those materials came from, and these can be things like oil or rags that might just be too small to quantify as product items. We may also have the situation where we've got a specific invoice from a supplier that relates to a cost that isn't labour, subbies, sundries or materials, and we're also wanting to see that hit the job. So underneath the creditor's invoice section we can pick a job that we've got sundry costs for, pick which job it will be, the part of the job, the type of cost, the type of sundry cost, and that's then put those costs back to the job. This can be handling material items that we don't want to put through the products and materials menu, parking charges, hotels for on-site visits, whatever it might be. If you've got any other questions, give us a call and we're happy to help out. Thanks very much. Bye.